Okay, so here's some minimum connections required for the leaf connector on the 2013 board. You've got, it's okay just to have 2 of the 12 volt ground and pluses there. That's enough to share the current there, even though I think there's 3 or 4 of them. 2 each is good enough for the ground and plus. So these 2 wires go to 12 volt supply and the ground powering the board. See how they both feed into, the 2 reds go to the white here, and then the 2 blacks go to the black here. Okay, the next one over, is the 3-wire throttle. 3-wire throttle. That is a 5 volts, a ground, and the signal. 5 volts, ground, and signal. So anything on the little pinout page that says control ground, or that's fine for the ground for it, and then the 5 volts is what's powering like your little analog throttle, and then the output in this case is this little kind of bluish wire. And in my case I'm using something like, see this little twisty throttle here, but you can use like a little pedal kind of thing or whatever. And next thing over, you've got 3 sets of resolver wires. So you've got these, and these. Notice that they are twisted together. So like the excite plus and minus is twisted together. The sine plus and sine minus is twisted, and cosine plus, cosine minus is twisted. So you get 3 groups, 3 pairs. They all go, these 3 pairs go all the way down here to the resolver. Then there's also an extra pin for the temperature of the motor. And then the can was this stuff on the end here, but I'm not using that for anything yet.